All right, he's changing a headlight on a 2010 Nissan Armada. There's 3 screws to take off this little mud guard to get to the access to the headlight. So you take out that screw, and then there's one right there. All right, once you have those 3 screws out, all you need to do is just pull this guard back. And the headlight is right there. And once you're to the headlight, all you need to do, see this clip here? Pull it out, down, that's the plug, and then this twists the bulb, pull it out, here's the bulb, and then we're replacing them with, I got hooked up with a brand Bully Performance Audio. They sell all kinds of car audio. They sell, and just basically anything car audio and headlights. They have these Xenontek LEDs. Definitely check them out, guys. They do awesome work. All right, let's put this headlight in. So all you want to do, bear with me. Just plug it in right there. Sits good. Just make sure it works. Flip the switch. Bang & Bros, thank you for making this possible. And here they are. See? 1, 2. I'm gonna get some fog lights now. That one decided to go out, so yeah, there she is.